Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am reviewing a brand that I have not gotten very many requests for, and I'm kind of surprised. And I have a funny story, but today we're checking out MARSTÉ by Marlena Stell. No, I am not trying to age myself here. I'm not. But I will tell you that I have been watching Marlena for years. Like, I'm talking about like when she was living in Michigan, probably doing makeup tutorials on a Logitech computer that she mounted on top of her CRT monitor. Like, we go back that far. Like, I have loved Marlena for years. I remember through her weight loss, I remember through her divorce, I remember through her move to California. I mean, I feel like I remember when she launched Makeup Geek. I remember when Makeup Geek was just an idea in her head, and then it kind of spawned on to be one of this incredible companies. And so I will say, I don't know Marlena, she doesn't know me. I think it's kind of weird. You know how you feel like when you watch someone for a really long time on YouTube, you feel like you know them, you feel like there's a connection there. So I certainly feel like I know Marlena, and it's been really cool to kind of watch her journey and really watch her become, like, step into her greatness and become someone that I personally admire as an entrepreneur and a female business owner. So I will say I'm going to keep this review as unbiased as possible, but I would be lying to you if I didn't say that, like, I'm a bit of a fangirl. I think she's incredible. And then when MARSTÉ came out, I was very curious and probably, if I'm being really honest, apprehensive, because she's been in the beauty community for so long and is someone that's been in the plus fashion community for a really long time. And knowing that she really hasn't been in that community, I didn't really know kind of what this would be and what it would come out to. And then I just didn't buy for a really long time. I don't know why. I think we were, you know, we've had a lot of stuff going on in our life personally the past year, a lot of trauma and a lot of stress. And so I kind of haven't, I just didn't, for no other reason than I guess I kind of just forgot. And so with all this Jaclyn Hill drama going on, Marlena has become very active, very vocal, and she became top of mind to me again. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to try out MARSTÉ. I'm going to give it a really good solid review. I'm gonna see if it's worth the money, and let you guys know what I think, because she did do, I believe, a full size range from, what is it, 2 to 22, so it's very inclusive. And a lot of the stuff has stretch. So I actually think it, especially one piece in particular, could easily accommodate up to like a 24, even maybe even 26. So let's just dive into MARSTÉ. My order cost me $450. I did order quite a bit of stuff. There are no discounts or anything like that. She, from what I understand, again, she's not really in the plus community in the way that like I am, so I don't know if she does PR or anything like that or collabs, but so everything I paid for by myself. And I feel like this could be my corporate babes, my working women, my kind of boss babes. This should be your go-to brand for workwear. I will say that overall I was exceptionally impressed, to the point of being very curious at how she's doing what she's doing at the low price point that it is. So I am going to start with the first item, which is these pants. Now, I went with this, first of all, I was really excited to see a classic Audrey Hepburn style inspired cigarette pant. These are one of my favorite pants to wear to work. I wear the Eloquent Katie's. I really just like a very slim fitting, ankle length, kind of cropped, black lightweight pant. These are fantastic. They have a good bit of stretch to them, and it's a stretch that is more horizontal than it is vertical, so there's no stretch this way. I believe this is called, what is this, two-way stretch versus four-way stretch. So we're getting two-way stretch in this fabric. It is kind of like a twill fabric. My only complaint with these, and I did get the biggest size that she has, which is a 2022. I feel like these are not as high-waisted as I would have liked them to be. I know a lot of people are pulling away from high-waisted. Go with God, that's wonderful for you. That's never going to be me. So I would have liked these to be a little more high-waisted than they are. But one thing that I found was interesting was that the front seam, or the front panel, is cut a little lower than the back. So that's kind of interesting. So I again, love a high waist. So this maybe wasn't the best for me, because to get the high-waisted look that I want, I had to like really pull them up, you know, like up in the area. And so what that does ultimately is just make it look really gutty, because it puts all my stomach kind of in this one area, and then the seam down the front just kind of, then we get to play a game of like, is that stomach or is it butt? And if you are chubby and you don't know what I'm talking about, stop lying. We both know that we all play stomach or butt. It's how it does. And when you have a seam down the front and you have a lot of weight in your stomach, it kind of looks like a butt depending on the lighting. So these are not my favorite if I were to wear something tucked in or a bodysuit. So I would not wear a bodysuit with these. That being said, if I were to wear a longer length or a peplum top, the fit of these is so great. They're so comfortable. The back has elastic, so you get a really decent fit. You're not getting a lot of gaping in the back, which is so great for work pants. And again, they're not even just a great work pant, they're just a great like everyday pant. I think if you're someone in particular who, when you travel, really likes the idea of dressing up for travel, you know, there's still a couple of us out there that romanticize the idea of travel and romanticize going on a plane and going somewhere different and going on to like a far off adventure. And so sometimes we like to dress up for the plane, and I think these would be really great travel pants. I feel like they're not wrinkling very easily, which is fantastic. I think these would be really great for travel. So if you're someone that maybe has a conference to go to for work, or you're going to like, you know, beauty con or something, and you're an influencer wanting to meet some brands and you want to look a little more polished, I think these are a great option for you. As always, everything will be listed in the description box below, so you guys can click and shop and all of that. This next cami I have to show you guys. Honestly, I will be placing another order to get the rest of the colors. This is quite possibly the perfect layering tank top, cami, whatever you want to call it, that I've ever tried in my entire existence. Now, I am someone that is constantly on the search for the perfect tank top that fits right, that flows away, especially with my body type being so exhausting, where it's like, you know, small on top and then just like all the hips. To get something that will fit nicely here and accommodate for this, that doesn't pull and doesn't look sloppy, it's really hard, you guys. And she killed it. She killed it with this. So I got a size 16, 18 in this. So her sizing isn't like 12, 14. Wait, is it? Hang on. It's not 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. It's 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, I think. Anyway, I got this in this kind of a tan color. Holy freaking Lord, you guys. Okay, little mesh detailing in the front, really pretty, nice little detail, a nice V, but it's not too deep. I wish we had like a touch-a-vision where you can like reach through your screens and like touch this fabric, because it is so soft. The cotton is absolutely phenomenal. If I remember correctly, this is Pima cotton, or at least there's a Pima cotton blend. Is that right? Oh, it's modal and spandex. Oh my God, it's so soft and so comfortable and lightweight and breathable and just absolutely gorgeous. Love the color. I believe she does it in 3 or 4 other colors for her line. I think she does her black, like a purple, this, and maybe white. I think I will be ordering them all because these are so great for traveling. They're great if you go to a movie and you like it's hot out but you want to bring a little sweater because you get cold in the theater. Amazing. Can't say enough good stuff about it. And there's no prices on this stuff, so everything will be linked down below. But I remember when I bought everything, I thought, oh, these prices might be a little steep. And then I got everything, and especially when I speak about this one in particular, I'm starting to wonder how she did that quality at what is really a low price for what you're getting. This next item is a skirt that I believe was kind of her hero product when she launched, and I do believe that you still see it quite a bit. And it is this really beautiful midi skirt that is exceptionally stretchy. I ordered it, I believe this is the size 2022. I'm a size 20 on the bottom. Lots of space. There's, again, a lot of room in these. Just a gorgeous skirt. Now, there are snaps on the side. Now, when Amelia was over, I wanted to have her opinion because she's been in fashion manufacturing for so many years. She is someone that would look at a garment and be able to look at the details and say, oh my God, this is really incredible quality. She looked at these snaps and we're like, oh my God, they're like rivets. And the snaps are so strong. This is a quality snap that I don't know where she got them, but they are incredible. The fabric is absolutely lovely. I love the length of this. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It's really comfortable. It's absolutely a year-round piece. And I love that you can button it all the way down or you can unbutton it. I'm not sure how high up. Do they go all the way up? Can you like really? Oh girl, you can go like all the way up with this. So that's, you know, useful. useful. A gorgeous, gorgeous skirt, really high-waisted, absolutely beautiful, incredible quality. And if you're looking for that perfect black skirt for your work wardrobe, or you're just someone who likes to dress, again, a little more conservative or a little more corporate-y, a little more like, you know, business chic, as it were, this is like, you have to have this. You absolutely have to have this. It's just freaking phenomenal. Okay, story time. And this is the portion of the video in which Crystal thoroughly embarrasses herself and tells you how her ass destroyed a MARSTÉ bodysuit. Yep, it happened, it happened. Okay, so I ordered this gorgeous, in an 18-20, or sorry, a 16-18. I ordered this gorgeous bodysuit. If you guys watch me, especially in the fall, man am I such a sucker for like a mock neck tank top. I don't know what it is. I love a mock neck tank. I'm really into shoulders, I think. And so I love like a high neck, shoulder, like arms out moment. And when I saw this, I was like, yes. And then I saw that it had a zipper in the back and I was like, oh my God, that's so great, because the biggest like struggle of life as a plus size girl with so much BLT is that getting on and trying to button up a bodysuit it's a lot, okay? So I thought, oh my God, it zips. So when I got it, I immediately unzipped it and I started pulling it on, and like I stepped into it and I started pulling it on. I felt like it was a little tighter on the butt and I was like, okay, be careful. Anyway, pulled it up, got it on, was thrilled, loved it, whatever, unzipped it, clearly didn't unzip it all the way, and then started to pull it down, and then when it got to my butt, heaven help me if I didn't hear rip, and then I heard ping, 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 and I was like, no, what happened? And I looked down and oh God, you guys, my butt destroyed the zipper. Look at what happened. See all the missing teeth? Oh my God. So basically what happened was I didn't unzip it all the way and then pulled it over my butt. And let me tell you why that is extra stupid. Not because I didn't unzip it all the way, and not because I forced it when I shouldn't have forced it, because it has snaps. It has snaps, you guys. It has snaps. When I tell you I took this thing off and I was like, oh my God, I broke the zipper. Oh my God. And then I was like, but how else was I gonna get it on? And then I looked down and I saw snaps. I wanted to shave my head out of embarrassment, frustration, stupidity. Like, what? There's snaps, really? There's snaps. So I have to see if Amelia can replace the zipper. So if we can find one that's the exact same length, I will have the zipper replaced. If not, I have to buy another one, because it's not their fault. It's my fault. My ass truly destroyed this bodysuit. But on the good side, it is a thong back bodysuit, which if you're around, you know is my favorite style of bodysuit because it leaves no lines in the back. I will say quality-wise, this is very close to the Good American bodysuits. The knit is absolutely gorgeous, soft. It's got a great amount of stretch. Feels like such a quality product. The snaps are really great, nice and sturdy. They're hard to get undone and then done up again. Like once they're on, they're on. So you know, it's a great piece. It's just that my butt just, it was not ready for this jelly. So here's my fail of the haul. Totally my fault, complete fail. My fault. The next item I have is another skirt for you guys. I put together effectively 3 outfits is what I wanted to do, was get enough to like really get a taste of what the brand was about, and then also give you guys some outfit ideas. So this next skirt, I was so shocked. It looks like leggings material, but it's not. It's like just really nice and thick. It's a thick knit. It is this beautiful gray color. It's almost like a taupey, like a, you remember the MAC eyeshadow satin taupe? It kind of reminds me of that. Like it's like taupey, but it's like, you know, I don't know. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. A nice long length, great stretch in it. The waistband almost has like a sweatpant effect to it. So even though it, there's strings of her, even though it holds you in and stuff, it still's really comfortable. It's also lined with a really, really soft fabric. So it's, oh my God, it's so comfortable. I'm also not wearing Spanx with any of this stuff, you guys. So what you see is worst case scenario. I would always wear some version of shapewear with skirts like this just to get a more smoothing effect. But I felt like with these, I maybe not have needed it so much. So great. I love this so much. It's just, again, phenomenal quality. I believe it comes in black as well, but I didn't want to overdo the black. I really, really love this. I think it's absolutely worth the money. The last thing I have to show you is another bodysuit that my butt did not destroy, so I'm very, very proud of it. Good job, Tush. It's the bodysuit, I believe it's the Montreal bodysuit, if I remember correctly, which is where I'm from, so shout out to home. Amazing quality, stunning color, thong back, beautiful, beautiful. So in an 16, 18, fits beautifully on top, a little snug in the bottom half, but I know that had I gone up a size, it would have been too big, but it fits really nice on top and it's just a little tight. So when you have these thong backs, by the way, you guys, they do cut up very high on the side, so make sure that you're wearing something that's high-waisted with it, otherwise you're gonna have like skin hanging out the side. Loving this color. I believe she calls this color Mystique. I think it's kind of like a dusty lilac. Friggin' gorgeous. 3/4 length, which I like to roll up just to give me a little more of a kind of look at me, I'm cool and casual kind of vibe. And amazing. What is the fabric? Is this modal too? Nylon spandex. So really, really nice stretch to it, very comfortable. Again, quality feels outstanding, outstanding, outstanding. Again, strong straps. This has a nice kind of scoop neck. It looks like a V, but it's not. It's more of a scoop neck. At least on me it is. Really freaking just beautiful piece. Love it. Love the neutrals. And I paired it with the gray skirt to kind of give you guys a tonal look. I feel like with a gray bag and a gray pair of heels, you would look so beautiful, monochromatic, absolutely fantastic. So that is it. That's everything I got. Okay guys, so that is it for me and this MARSTÉ haul. I am dying to know what you guys think. Personally, for me, this is absolutely a go-to work brand for me. This is absolutely a go-to staples brand for me. There's so many good pieces that she put out that truly can be the basis of a wardrobe. I feel like everyone needs a good bodysuit. Everyone needs a good skirt. Everyone needs a great pair of black pants. Even though those aren't the right ones for me, they may be the right ones for you, especially if you're not as hippie as I am, or you like things that are a little bit lower rise. Outside of that, I feel like quality-wise, you're really, really, really getting what you pay for. I mean, you're getting more than what you're paying, honestly, at the end of the day. It's made domestically. It's made, which that in of itself, which I don't know how she's doing at the price point. She must have bought like volume that's through the roof. So a huge congratulations to Marlena for MARSTÉ. I am terribly sorry I didn't get to review this sooner, although I am very happy that I waited this long because I was just so shocked and so pleasantly surprised at the quality of everything. So Marlena, if you ever see this video, congratulations, you're incredible. The line is incredible and I am thrilled to be a customer for as long as you guys will be around, because I think you put out a really, really solid product. So that is it for me, you guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the notification bell on your way out. If you want more plus size fashion videos, just keep on watching. There will be more after this in the autoplay because you're in the playlist and you can just keep watching. And tell me what your favorite thing was down in the comments down below. And if you don't follow Marlena, she'll be linked down below, so go ahead and show her some love. She's got a really great new series out called Beauty and the Boss, and she's just doing really, really great stuff for like ladyhood in general, which is just very, very admirable. So anyway, that is it for me. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. I so appreciate you. I know you could be watching anybody else, but you chose to watch me, and that's really cool. And thank you so much. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!